We know how important it is to display your work to your potential customers in different formats, and mockups are wonderful to help us do that. Finding beautiful mockups can be a little bit of a nightmare, and finding a mockup that has an online tool is just a gold mine. In today's video, we're going to be placing these beautiful designs using Graphics Family, who have linked Photopea to their mockups, saving us a lot of time. Please join me. To start the process, you're going to access graphicsfamily.com. I will add it on the description below. Then you land on their homepage. You can search for mockups using two methods. You could either hover on the menu above and go to templates, and then you can scroll through and pick a mockup or search for mockups using the menu that's displayed. Another method is to type what you're looking for and then click on the magnifying glass. Excellent. Once you've found the mockup that you would like to use, like this business card that we found, you're going to click where it says edit online if you want to edit online, or select download and download the PSD file to go upload it on Photopea if you want to go that route. The easiest route would be to click on edit online and start editing the file. What I suggest that you do when you're working on a computer, if you're working on your phone, this is going to be a struggle. Good luck with that with you. But if you're on your computer, zoom out a bit so that you reduce the way that the view looks on your screen so that it shows everything on screen. Otherwise, you won't find other functionalities. Next, click on Edit Online, and the software is going to go to Photopea and load this mockup for us. Next, I'm going to include this loading because it depends on your internet speed how quick it's going to load. My speed is slow, so it did take a little bit of a longer time to load. Once it gets loaded, you are now interested on your layers to start adding your own designs on the mockup itself. You are interested on group 1 and group 2. Group 1, it is the first green design where you're going to add your branding. Group 2 is the black design. The second part of the mockup has to do with the text that's on the mockup itself. It's on the layers. All you do, you just switch them off and you're able to not have them on your design. The last layer is the background, and we do have a video that can teach you how to do a background change. You can watch it immediately after you finish this one. To add our first design, you're going to click on the arrow to open layers. On our first layer, we're going to double click to add our design. On the second layer, you change the color or the background of the card. So double click where it says design here, and then you start removing and adding your own design. All of these layers are represented on your canvas. It tells you the website layer is a text, the brand mockup is a text, and there's a rectangle, there's another rectangle, and there's another rectangle. So you can switch all of them up if you have a 2D design that you've created on Canva, and you could leave the branding to show the customer. It depends on how you want to play this. It's up to you. Next, we're going to go find our design. So you're going to go File, Open and Place, and go look for your 2D design that you've downloaded as a transparent background. Then next, you're going to size it and align it and place it exactly where you want to place it. Then you're going to press Command S or Control S to change it to a smart object. Click on the middle tab to view your design. It is now added. Now the next thing is to change the green background. So you're going to go back to your layer and double click on the color and then choose the background color that you want to use. There you go, success. Your mockup is added. Well done, congratulations. You would do exactly the same for the second card to have your design added on there. Last thing that you would do is to export your file. You're going to go File, Export As, and you decide on the file type that you want. Choose your width and your height and then click on Save. This is the time to smash the like button if you enjoyed this content, and to go watch this other video that's going to teach you how to change a background on a mockup. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you on the next video.